Before installing the wheels and tires, adjust the tie rods to set the toe temporarily until a proper alignment is performed. There are several methods of doing this, so use whichever works best for you. Don't forget to tighten the jam nuts when finished. Install the supplied hub-centric rings into each wheel center bore before installing the wheels and tires onto the truck. Mount each wheel onto the truck and hand thread the supplied lug nuts onto the studs. You can use an impact gun to drive the lug nuts onto the studs once they are hand threaded, but do not use the impact gun to torque the lug nuts down. Repeat this process for the rear wheels. Carefully lift the chassis off the front jack stands with the floor jack and remove the jack stands from under the vehicle. Repeat this process for the rear of the vehicle and slowly lower the truck down to the ground. Using a torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 95 foot-pounds. The front upper control arms, lower control arms, and upper and lower shock mounting bolts should be torqued down to the manufacturer's specifications once the vehicle is on the ground. The upper control arm bolt is best accessed by first removing the wheel well shield. Remove the OEM plastic clip holding it in place, tighten the control arm bolt, and replace the shield. Finally, reinstall the negative battery terminal. Be sure to carefully watch these installation videos to ensure all installation steps have been performed before the vehicle is driven anywhere. A professional alignment is required before the vehicle can be driven. Once all these steps have been performed, the ProRunner conversion process is complete.